What's up, you guys? I'm here back again to do another unboxing. Check this out. I got this thing today. It's a testy blade. I gotta have that to open the packages. But this unboxing is on a different item. Not a camera. They package these things sometimes. It's tape. Need a blade. So get into the package. This is it. Put that over there so you can see this. It's a TASCAM DR-40. It's been out for a while, but I got it because I'm doing a lot of videos. You need to be able to get your XLR mics hooked up. You can check that out. So, see what all it comes with. Got the batteries. I think I'm gonna use rechargeables. Instructions. Nicely boxed. I don't have to say that. I usually save most of my boxes. Now here is tilt foot. USB cable. This, the unit itself. Here it is. It's nice. It records audio. SD card. So we can focus on that. Been told that it's a little hard getting into the SD section. It's a 2 gig SD card free. It's in there. So, this is my unboxing of the TASCAM DR-40. I'm trying to put it to work, let you guys know how it is. So when you're doing your videos, you want your sound to come from a different audio source. So this will now be that audio source, so stay tuned. I also told a lot of good things about this mounting bracket in the back. Batteries go right there. XLR ports right there. You have all your line ends and hold and extending and input levels right there. So I'll be powering it up to see how it works. Stay tuned.